Toolbox talk is a meeting taken by concerned foreman, supervisor with their team members for their respective job to identify and resolve environmental, health and safety (EHS) hazards associated with the specific task prior to perform. Before starting any work, workers are given knowledge in OR group regarding safe practice by concerned engineer, supervisor, foreman in the presence of safety professional. Is said to be Toolbox talk, pep talk. Note: the Toolbox talk card must be signed off by all participants and displayed in the immediate workplace. PPS, personal protective equipments. 6 HTK, hazards that kill. Height work, vehicles. Movement, electricity, housekeeping, confined space. Hazardous chemicals. Topics of Toolbox talk, pep talk. 1. PPEs. 2. Housekeeping. 3. Body protection like eyes, ears, hands, legs, lungs, skin, etc. 4. Working at night. 5. Working at height. 6. Causes of accident. 7. Unsafe acts, practices. 8. Unsafe, substandard conditions. 9. Cost of accident. 10. Hot works, welding, grinding, gas cutting. 11. Excavation. 12. Confined space. 13. Mansion work. 14. Carpentry work. 15. Civil work. 16. Electrical work. 17. Chemical work. 18. Mechanical work. 19. Loading, unloading. 20. Mechanical handling. 21. Manual handling. 22. Crane, JCB, Hydra, rig, tower crane, etc. 23. Driving safety. 24. Health, safety and environment. 25. Road crossing, etc.